Hello, hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So today we are going to solve this problem, which is maximum line intersecting or maximum intersecting lines. So let's start. What's this problem state? So we have n horizontal lines are arranged on x-axis of a 2D planes. The start and end points of each line segment is given in n cross 2 matrix. So we have matrix called lines which is of n cross 2 size. Your task is to find the maximum number of intersection possible of any vertical line with the given n line segment. So okay, let's start with understanding the example. So we have an example. First n is equal to 4. Now we have given a 2D matrix. So the 2D matrix is 1 3 2 3 1 2 and 4 4. So what's the dimension of this matrix? This is a 4 cross 2 matrix, 4 rows, 2 columns. So now let's understand through the example how to find the maximum intersection. So let me draw. This is a number line. Here we have, let's start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. First line is from 1 to 3. This is the first line. Second line is from 2 to 3. Third line is from 1 to 2. Fourth line is from 4 to 4. Now find the intersection point at a vertical. So this is a one vertical line, this is another vertical line, this is another, this is another, this is another. So here we can see 0, here 2, here 1, 2, 3, 2, and here we can say 1. Only one point is there. So what's the question? Your task is to find maximum number of intersection possible of any vertical line with given n line segment. And so what's the answer? 3, as you can see here. Now you can also check for 1 3. Okay, let's do this. For 1 3, first is 1 3. So from 1 to 3, second is 5 6. Let me write here 5 6 also. 5 6 and 3 4. Now if we are finding the point, so here 0, here 1 1 2 1 1 1. What's the maximum intersection line? 2. So 2, as you can see, that's our answer. Now how to solve such question? So I know a two method. The first one is naive approach with order of n square time complexity. So what's that approach? So first let's talk about naive approach, in which what you can do. So you can do like this. Let's say you take a one array list in which you expand this interval and add the value. How? Like from 1 to 3, 1 to 3, then 2 to 3 means 2 3, then 1 to 2, all the elements between 1 to including 1 2. Now at the last 4. Now find the frequency of the element which is maximum. Means number of occurrence is maximum. Find. So from here you can see that the occurrence of element that is very high is 2. 2. The number of 2's here are 3. So what's our answer? 2. Because this is the point where maximum lines are intersecting. So this approach will take order of n square time. So if you want to write a code here in GFG also, you can write it, but it will not pass all the test cases. So let's go with the different approach. And what's that approach is? So we can use a map and the approach with map and prefix sum that we want to do here. Now, why map? Why prefix sum? Or is that any algorithm? No one for solving this problem. So yes, we have a algorithm. Okay, let me tell you about that algorithm. So that algorithm is line sweep algorithm. Okay, so this is our algorithm in which we are using a map and prefix sum. How we are solving this, that I'll tell you later. First, there are many questions. First is why map? Okay, why we are using map, not array? Because we are not using array here, is that let's say we have here. Okay, let me tell you first the how we can solve it, so it will help you to understand the better way. Let me copy paste this, cut from here, put it here. Okay, I think it's some kind of lagging. Okay, now I'm fine. What is the approach in this problem? Means how we are solving this. So first we are creating, this is our map. Don't consider it as array. This is our map. These are the indexes. And just forget about this thing. Okay, I'll remove it for you. Now what we are doing? We are giving each interval start and end. So how we can do here with the starting and ending. So we have first L. So we are just doing these two operations. What's and this is our prefix. If it's map, then also you can say as the prefix. So this is our prefix map. In map, we are doing L. So prefix of L. Initially, all this element contain zero. What we are doing, prefix of one, we are adding one. Now for the R part, prefix of R means R plus 1 means 4. What we are doing? We are doing minus 1. Again for L, we are doing 1. For 3 means 3 plus 1, 4. We are doing minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1. Here it will become minus 2. Now for this L and R, L is 1. So it will become a 2. For 2 means R plus 1, 3. For 3, we are doing minus 1. 4, 4. So 4 means 4, 4. Here it will add 1. So it will become a plus 1. And for 5, it will just do a minus 1. Now we are adding this value. So here 0, 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 minus 1 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Now we are finding the maximum among this and that will be our answer. So what's the maximum here? Maximum is 3. So that's our answer. Now this is an algorithm known as line sweep algorithm. Now, the first thing is why we are using here the map. So for using reason of using map is that if we have here, let's say 2003. So for solving the 2003, we are taking this array of size 2000, but we don't know the fixed amount length of the array. So we have to take dynamic array. So that's why here we are using the map. Why not array list? So what's the problem with array list? So efficient lookup. Now here we can directly get the index at a particular location using get and put method. But in array list, for any particular index, we have to do a linear search. And here we have also key value structure. Okay. Now this is the explanation. Now, based on the same explanation, let's understand the code. So this is our 0, 1. 0, 1. If I start from 0, so we are taking L as matrix of I 0 and R as matrix of I 1. I think this is understood to you. Now let's directly jump to the code. So what we are doing in the code, as I told you, this is our start, this is our end. That same as you can write like the start as L, end as R. Okay. First thing is map. I took here a map. I told you the enough reason why we are taking a map. Now here we are traversing the line. Line means 2D, which is given to us. Okay. Now we are just checking in map if what's the use of this. So we know that we have empty map. So in starting we have empty map. So by this we are putting the key value pair here. But we are have here there is a no significant use of key. So I directly write these are the values. So we know that the initially the map is empty. So we if we want to get the value here, before that we have to put here. If we are not writing this two statement, then it will give a null pointer exception error. So this is for the putting, because we want to get the value and add 1 here, do -1 here, and again change the same location at the index of start and the index of end. Okay, after that we are here finding the total sum, like by adding the values of 0, 2, 1, -1, and in that we take a one variable which keep the maximum value inside it. So this is result. What's the use of it? For getting maximum value. Okay, and after we get maximum, here we will getting result as 3. What we are doing, we are just returning the result. So this is the approach to solve the problem of maximum intersecting line, in which first what we are doing, first we are taking the map, then just modify the values inside the map, and after that do the prefix sum and find the maximum value. Okay, so that's the overall explanation for this code. So if you like this video, then do like, share with your friend. Thank you guys.